This is Roar to Success, episode number 6. For number 1, it says, what is the name of this parallelogram? So this parallelogram is called a rhombus because it has 4 sides that are all equal to each other, and it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. What I mean by that is that the top and the bottom, the opposites, are parallel, they would never touch, and the 2 sides are also parallel. That's why it's called a parallelogram, and this is called a rhombus, which is called a polygon and also a quadrilateral as well. For number 2, it says name this triangle based on its side and angle. So we know that this is a 10 and a 10. So this is going to be called an isosceles. And for the angle, it's 72 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. So it's not a right triangle, and it's not an obtuse. It's an isosceles acute triangle. For number 3, it says, how many pairs of parallel sides does this polygon have? So we know that the top one, which is line AD and BC, that's 1 pair of parallel sides because they will never touch. If we do the 2 sides, this is AB and DC. Eventually, though, they will meet at the very, very top, and they intersect. So this is called a trapezoid, and it only has 1 pair of parallel sides.